Ever wondered why potty training your new puppy feels like you're trying to solve a Rubik's Cube blindfolded? Well, the good news is, it doesn't have to be that way. Welcome to a simple and effective guide to potty training your puppy. First things first, understanding your puppy's behavior is crucial. Puppies, much like babies, have small bladders and fast metabolisms. This means they need to go, well, quite frequently. Usually a puppy needs a potty break an hour for every month-old they are. So a 3-month-old puppy would need a break every 3 hours. Next, establish a consistent routine. This is key. Make sure to take your puppy outside first thing in the morning, after meals and playtimes, and right before bed. And remember, consistency is king here. The more consistent you are, the more quickly your puppy will understand what's expected of them. Now, on to the actual training. Use positive reinforcement to encourage your puppy. When they do their business outside, reward them with praise or a small treat. This will help them associate going outside with positive experiences. But what about accidents? It's important to note that accidents will happen. When they do, stay calm. Don't scold or punish your puppy. Instead, clean up the mess quietly and carry on with the routine. Remember, patience is key here. Lastly, consider crate training. A crate can provide a safe and comfortable space for your puppy and can also be a useful tool in potty training. Puppies naturally avoid soiling their own space, so, if used correctly, a crate can help teach your puppy to hold it until they're taken outside. In summary, successful potty training involves understanding your puppy's behavior, establishing a consistent routine, using positive reinforcement, handling accidents with patience, and considering the use of a crate. It's a journey that requires time, patience, and consistency. But with these steps, you're well on your way to a well-trained, happy puppy. So the next time you feel like you're trying to solve a complex puzzle, remember these steps. They're your cheat sheet to a successfully potty-trained puppy. And remember, every puppy is unique, so what works for one may not work for another. But with patience, consistency, and a little bit of humor, you'll get there. Happy training!